Okay, so constructing perspective isn't that much of a technical lesson, to be honest. The first part is rather technical, though. We will start with two exercises to, recap on our triple projections. Right, so a 5 centimeter cube, right, a simple triple projection, and then a floating 5 centimeter cube. So this means in a frontal and a lateral view, this cube needs to not be on the OX and OY axes. It needs to be like floating, okay? Right, in the planar view, it's obviously going to look the same. Right, then we got the 12 steps to drawing a correct constructed two-point perspective. There's no way of doing this. I know you want it to be, to not be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but you need to go through these steps. Don't skip any of the steps, or you're going to get into trouble, as you say. Okay, so I'll let you browse through these steps. Okay, and after that, after we're done with constructing obviously a top-down, bottom-up, and building view cube in perspective, we'll be going for choosing one of these cube houses and constructing a perspective that would basically be the starting point for drawing these cube houses. Take note, a constructed perspective is actually just the means to an end, right? So just by constructing doesn't mean you'll get a good drawing, but you will have the foundation of getting an excellent drawing. You can probably see that all these drawings have like these lines, okay? That's from constructing the perspective. These are construction lines, okay? So you choose one of these four cube houses and start constructing the cube, then doing the partitions, 1 meter for, obviously the ground floor, then 60 centimeters for the top, then divide the, the space that's left, right, and divide that in 3. You get the 3 floors, you get the slab thicknesses, and so on and so forth. And then after we're done with that, you'll go for detailing and adding all this information. Again, don't try to be creative here. Try to understand these volumes, okay? So I say if you choose this building, do the divisions, you can see you've got, right, some crazy stuff happening here. You do the vertical divisions, the floors, and then you start adding in the detailing, and your drawing will build up, slowly and steadily, and you will get a good perspective and a more complete understanding of sketching and obviously how you see things in 3D. Because to be honest, just by sketching you can't understand everything. You need to have proper technical knowledge on perspective. Right, let's get to it.